Okay, a real quick tidbit here. What you do is when you're baking, as much as I'm baking, the center one, it's still not quite done, but these two are probably most likely done. So what I do is I turn it around like halfway through or 3/4 of a way through. Just turn it around, okay? And then you take your temp on that. Still not quite done, so it still has like about 20 more degrees on there. So, and if you have to, lower so it doesn't get too dark, and you lower the temp, and then you put it back in for another, I'd say about another few minutes, and then you just make sure that it's really important to make sure that your cakes or your breads are measured exactly, precisely, and the correct measurements. I had to take my batter out because I reread the recipe and it needed more flour. This would have been a flop. But thank goodness instinct kicked in and said, go reread that recipe, and I took it out immediately. And don't toss it out, just take it out and adjust it and then put it back in, and it should be okay. And then let's see, what else I was going to say. Make sure you have your thermometer. I have one since my culinary class, so it's just a simple thermometer. It doesn't need to be fancy. And then you just have your, and I calibrate it every once in a while. I'll calibrate it with cold water, and you can easily Google it, how to calibrate and get the right temp. And then you flip it around. Make sure you turn it around like I showed you, and then you put it back, and then you just kind of let it do its thing. All right, really easy peasy. Talk to you later. All right, have a good day. Bye.